Hi, welcome to our 13th lesson. In this lesson, we will talk about lists. Lists are the most thing you will use in your web page design, and it is one of the most beautiful things that we will learn. We have three types of lists. The first one is the unordered list. UL refers to the unordered list. And the LI tag refers to the list. I will write here, for example, book 1. Here book 2. And book 3. As you can see, a list formed with the names I have entered. And because this is an unordered list, there is a dot beside each text. This is the unordered list, as simple as that. Now we will talk about the nested list. What if I want to put a list inside a list? For example, I want to put an unordered list inside book 1. So I will come here and write UL then LI. I will write book 4 and book 5. As you can see, a list with book 4 and book 5 is formed inside book 1. The second list we have is the ordered list. All the things that you have learned in the unordered list is the same as the ordered list. The difference is that we will replace UL with OL. Let's try it. As you can see, the dot in the unordered list has been changed to numbers because this is an ordered list. We have some attributes that you can use in the list. The first attribute is reversed. This attribute reversed the order of the list. As you can see, when I write reversed and run the code, the order has changed. We have another attribute, which is the start attribute. The start attribute is used if you want the list to start from a specific number. For example, I want to start from number 50. As you can see, the list started with 50. We have a very nice attribute, which is the type. If I want to change the order from numbers to letters, so I will write here A. As you can see, the order has started with A, then B, and so on, and you can change the letters to small letters. So the list will change to small letters. Now we will talk about the last type of list, which is the description list. This list is not important, and you will not use it. But we will talk about it to increase your knowledge. This list is written like this. DL, then DT. Inside the DT, we will write, for example, HTML. Under it, we will write DD, which is the description, and we will write anything. It's not very important, so we will not talk much about it. That's for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.